Alright guys, so I kind of want to do one of my first walkthroughs and explanations today. So I did a couple of videos in my other series. As I come up to other things or as more questions come along, we'll continue that series. If there is a term or an idea that needs to be explained, if I'm getting a question in the comments, that's kind of what I want that series to be. But for today, as you can see, I've got my phone pulled up here somewhere. Yeah, there. I've got my phone pulled up over here, and you can see some of the DeFi apps, some of the crypto apps and things that I've been working with, just on my own. And I kind of wanted to give my first walkthrough today. In the top left of my screen up here, and I'm going to be looking down here at my phone because it's real time. But I kind of want to give a walkthrough, kind of a tutorial on Trust Wallet because it's what I'm using now. I was actually thinking about doing my first video on setting up with like NiceHash and mining and stuff. But this is actually what I've moved all of my money into since I was mining. And I was buying stuff on Coinbase and I was buying a little bit here. Well, I actually put about $100 into Binance. And I've kind of been moving and selling, and I put a little bit into something that we've talked about in the second video of the other series, the explaining terms, the dirty basics. Um, excuse me. But it's PancakeSwap. So the easiest way that I found to do it was either buy your BNB coin on Binance, and for me that's Binance.us, which I hear a lot of people talk bad about, and I don't want to be out here on YouTube telling you to go get a VPN and use Binance when you're not supposed to in America. I don't want to be promoting breaking rules. That's an option. We can look at that later on if people want to. But for right now, I kind of just want to show you the safe stuff. I want to show you how to get into what you can as an American citizen. So that's what we're going to stick with today, all right? So to get started, the first thing that you're going to want to do, obviously, is you're going to want to go and download Trust Wallet. So for me, that's just going in here to the Play Store. And as you can see, I already had it pulled up here. But all you'll have to do is you'll just go to your search engine. And you just type in Trust. And as you can see right there, the very top option, it says Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. You just click on that. And for you, it'll come up and it'll say install. Now, when you go to install it the first time, you're going to have to register, and you're going to have to get what is called a seed phrase or your keys. Okay, when you're making a crypto wallet, you're going to have like a key phrase. And basically, if you were to ever uninstall it, if you were to lose it, you were to do whatever, you could re-download the app on another phone, and you could connect it with your phrase. That phrase is your phrase. You need to write it down, put it on a piece of paper, put it in your locker, copy it to an app on your phone. Make sure that you've got some copies of that, because if you lose it, you lose access to your wallet. You lose access to your wallet, you lose access to your money. So as you go through the setup process, make sure you remember that phrase, write it down. I think Trust Wallet, after it gives you your phrase, it actually asks you to put it back in the next step. So you better write it down somewhere. It's not one of those little password things where I'm bad to do it too. You just kind of, okay, yeah, no. This one you actually want to keep somewhere. And when you get into crypto, you probably want to keep however many wallets or whatever, those seed phrases, key phrases, keep those. Put them somewhere, put them down on a piece of paper, put a copy on your PC, put a copy on your phone. That way you're not going to lose them. Okay. But that's basically the biggest thing that you need to remember there. Okay. Need to remember to put those down as you are setting up the Trust Wallet. Now, when you come through Trust Wallet, you're going to come to a little page like this. It's going to say multi-coin wallet. You're not going to have anything in there. Me, I've got $1.95 left over from where I was messing around on PancakeSwap. Now, for today, I'm not going to get into a whole lot more on this. As you can see, when I downloaded it, I did see that it does have a buy option. Go in here, and it looks like you can buy whatever coin you want straight through Trust Wallet. Now, for me, like I was saying, I bought my BNB on Binance.us. I did the whole 10-day wait period, and then I moved it Now look, Crypto Lifer. I should have turned those off. And then I moved it to Trust Wallet after the 10-day wait period. And from there, I went about my adventures with PancakeSwap. But the next little bit of money I'm going to try buying it straight through Trust Wallet, and we're going to see how that goes. So yeah, I think there's like a $50 or $100, $150 minimum buy-in. I think it's 50 for BNB. So yeah, that's an option. You can try that. But either way, once you've got your BNB, once you've got your crypto in here, you're going to want to have to get it to Smart Chain. So all you would have to do is just go in here and click on, say, BNB. And then over here on the right, you can go to More. And then down here, you're going to get a list of options. At the bottom, you see it says Swap to Smart Chain. And it's as simple as that. You can come in here, you can select 20, 50, 75, 100%. If you know the custom number, you can switch it over. You know, I just tap 75%. It automatically populates it up for me. I think there is a small fee. Let me just see here. Yeah. Okay. So there's a small fee, whatever there. You want to leave enough of your regular BNB in there to pay the fee to switch it from one chain to the other. That's the gas fee that we were talking about in our other series. So go check out that other series so you make sure to understand this stuff. All right. I'm getting notifications. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. All right. So now you know how to get it over to the Smart Chain BNB, which is what you're going to need to use with PancakeSwap. So from here in Trust Wallet, you just simply go over to, at the bottom down there, it says dApps. dApps. Anyways, you'll go to dApps. Now for me, history, you can see where I've been messing around with PancakeSwap there at the top. It's probably not going to be on yours if it's your first time using it, if it's your, first time coming through all this. But it's as simple as swiping down through here. Eventually you're going to see it come up somewhere, probably in popular, or let's see, yield farming. It's probably going to be under yield farming or exchanges. There it is. Yeah, it's under exchange. For me, you just swipe through here, scroll through until you find it. But you're going to be looking for the little bunny symbol, PancakeSwap, whichever one you tap on. Just tap on it, and it's going to automatically bring you over and connect you your Trust Wallet that you just set up. No having to worry about going to MetaMask and connecting it to the Binance Smart Chain, which is the first way that I saw how to do this. But this right here, the fact that it automatically detects, it automatically connects everything for you. You don't have to worry about plugging anything else in. That simplifies it a lot. So that's why I'm showing you this as my first kind of walkthrough and tutorial. But all right, so from here, it brought you straight to what is this? The exchange page, right? So as you can see here in the top field, it's got max BNB, and then at the bottom it wants you to select a currency. Now, just like I showed in the other series that I'm doing, the one that I suggest doing, the one that seems to be pretty much the safest, is to stake simply and only Cake. Now, I believe there is also a way to stake stable coins on here. That's probably pretty decent, and I'll probably look into that as well, and make another video of it, review it, see how it goes. But the first thing you'll want to start with, now that you've downloaded Trust Wallet, and I gave you a real quick, simple how to switch it over from BNB to Smart Chain BNB. And now you know how to click on the dApps, scroll through to find your PancakeSwap. So now you're getting to the fun part. When you come to this page right here, it should say exchange, or even if it doesn't, let's just take you somewhere else. All right, say it brings you to the home page, or it brings you to the pool page. In the top left, you're going to see 3 little bars. All right, right next to the little bunny head. All right, so we're going to tap on that. Right there, you're going to see trade. Second option down. You want to tap on trade. You want to go to exchange. All right. It's going to bring you back to that page where we were just a second ago. All right. Make sure your top field has your BNB that you bought, either Trust Wallet or you moved here from somewhere else. And then your bottom, click it. It brings up a whole list of different coins and tokens that you can exchange your BNB into. And obviously, we want to be looking for Cake. So you just switch it over to Cake. Now for you, however much BNB you put in there, $100, 200, maybe you're a big boy and you got 500,000, $20,000. I don't know. And again, I have to put this in every video. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing the technology, the options that are out there, the cool things that I'm finding as I begin my adventures. Like I said, I only put $100 into this, and I don't know, maybe that was too much, maybe it wasn't enough. But for me personally, that's what I could do. That's what I put in. And the only thing I suggest is the same for you. If you can afford to live without it, you know, you make the option on what you do with it. I can't tell you. But anyways, back to the story. So once you get here, you got your BNB, you're telling it you want to switch it to Cake. So you just, again, type in however many you want, you know, blah, 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 blah. That's really expensive. Let's do like 15. That's 0.7 BNB. And then you would simply, down here at the bottom, it says insufficient BNB balance for me because I've only got like $1 in there. But you would just tap that button. You would verify it. It'll go through Trust Wallet, probably send you a notification that executed. And then you will have Cake. You will have the Cake token. So once you have the Cake token and you've got some BNB to pay the gas fees, once again, you'll come back up here to the 3 little lines. All right. Now you're going to want to be going down here to pools. All right. You see farms, you see pools. Let's go to pools. All right. That's going to bring you over to the syrup pool page. All right. This is where you can stake a single asset. In our case, we're going to be staking Cake. All right. Now, I personally have seen Cake up to 150% APY. I've also seen in another person's video, not personally, but I've seen it down to 90% APY. But generally, the consensus is it seems to stay around 120 to 130% APY. So that's what we're doing here. And I did auto Cake. That means every time it gets to a certain point, it gets enough Cake tokens. You know, I've made enough, or however many hours, whatever it's set on. It automatically takes that interest that you're being paid, and it's going to add it to what you already have staked in here. All right, and then you're earning even more. And then it's going to take that interest, and you're going to start earning interest on interest and your investment and everything. It compounds it into one to make more, and then one and more. Just over and over again, just for sitting here. All right, so all you got to do once you reach this point is you got to tap it open. All right. Oh, no, that's the ROI breakdown. You might don't see that. All you'll do is pop it open. And then right down here, it'll say for you something along the lines of stake or connect wallet. When you hit the option, I think it's connect wallet. Let's see. I got one down here. It's not stake. Should say it for me. Or enable. Yeah, it'll say something like enable. And then all it's going to do is verify with your Trust Wallet that you have Cake. Go through that little process of click, yeah. All right, then you're going to add however many Cake that you just got from your BNB. As you can see here, like I said, I've got about $106, 62 cents. As long as I've been staking, I've made about $1.60, and it's dropped in APY. But right now, as of 6/8/21, we're kind of at that pullback. Bitcoin's back down to like 31,000, so everything else is kind of following it down. The price of Cake, BNB, all that, we're all down. But we're still earning 122.72% interest. Just for putting our money out here and staking it. That's it. That's all we had to do. Right? Now, if you think about that, what got me so excited about it is for a little guy like me, yeah, I'm going to get, over a while, I'm going to get back whatever I put into it, assuming the price of Cake doesn't drop to zero, which is pretty much your biggest concern here, is just watching the price of Cake and make sure. I think the current price of it right now is around $17 this morning, the last time I looked. So as long as that doesn't drop down to like 20 cents, I'm good. And it's as simple as opening up Coinbase or just Googling, Cake, the price of Cake token, to see where that's at. Anyways, all you got to do is keep an eye on that. You don't have to worry about, two different coins, two different tokens moving which way or whatever. So it's pretty good to put in here. It's pretty safe. A lot safer than, say, going down here and, well, these are all single assets, but it's a lot safer than going in here to the farms, which when you see them, you're going to think they look, even better. It's 370% APR. It's 200 and some APR. And I've seen it all the way up to 800 APR on some of these. But you're staking two. You're providing liquidity between two tokens. Price goes up, price goes down. One coin, both coin. You're going to lose money. Yeah, you're still getting the APR, but you're going to have to really stay on top of it. And I've just heard most people who talk about it, who have done these farms, they get out of it. They go back to single asset staking, or they go to stable coin, staking, yield farming, because it's safer. You don't have to worry about that impermanent loss, the up and down of the coin, the market. So yeah, I suggest at this stage of my journey, if you're going to do it, just stick with cake for now. Just kind of get your feet wet, your fingers wet. That's what I'm doing. Probably should have said that. Anyways, go back to pools. And yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. As you can see here, the ROI, the return on investment, breaks it down. But now it doesn't break it down on the right side, the cake per $1,000. That's how much cake you get back, not the USD. So whatever the price of cake is, that's how you would use that to calculate up the amount of cake that you get back per $1,000 that you stake. But yeah, I've been talking to a lot of people that I know personally. I'm even talking to like my dad about all this and trying to get him interested in it. So I wanted to make this video more along the lines of just kind of showing other people how to get this set up, how quick and easy and simple it is. I didn't want to have to make a new email and log everything in, because the other steps are really pretty simple. It's just as simple as making sure you hold on to your keys, those key phrases, seed phrases. Make sure you put them down somewhere, you store them. I have mine on a text file on my phone, and I have a backup text file on my computer. And I should probably write them down on a piece of paper in my notebook over here of notes, the notebook of notes, so that, you don't lose them. And then it's as simple as you can buy them through Trust Wallet, which I believe is the options it gave me were Simplex. And then you purchase it with your debit card. You can go to Binance.us if you're a U.S. citizen, and you can buy BNB there through an ACH transfer from your bank, but that's a 10-day wait. Like I said, I haven't bought BNB through Trust Wallet, so I don't know if there's a wait. If anybody comes across this video, has bought BNB, if you know if there's a wait, let me know down in the comments so other people can know. But once you buy your BNB, you will tap on the BNB, you go to more, you hit swap to chain, to smart chain. Once you've got it on the smart chain, dApps, PancakeSwap, go to trade exchange, swap your BNB for cake, and get to staking. 122% interest just to let it stake, just to let it sit there. $100. Give it a try. I mean, not financial advice, but hey, give it a try. It's that easy. You can do it. If a simple guy like me can do it part-time between a family of 4 kids, wife, 12-hour shifts at the factory, if it's as simple as watching videos and learning how to do this stuff, I tell you what, you guys can do it if I can do it, right? So, real quick video for today. That'll be the end of it. I've got to grab some Z's and actually get ready for another 12-hour shift. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe, comment. Let me guys know, let me guys, guys, let me know you're there. All right? All right, we'll catch you in the next one.